Okay, hey, good morning, everyone. This is Demetrius at Akeelah Traders, and today is Monday, April 15th, 2024. And we're taking a look at some of our live trades that are running here on our Akeelah Trader system. So we've got a couple of different accounts that we're going to look at today and just go through and scan through those. So I'm going to jump into this pretty quickly. This first account, this is a little over 100,000 account or so. And so we've set up a couple of different accounts that we're going to be managing and using for copy trading purposes. We've offered our systems for purchase. If you want to acquire a license to our system to purchase it and use it on your own, you can definitely do that. But a lot of people are, maybe potentially interested in just using our copy trading services. So we have a team of traders that we're using our AI systems along with, technical tools that we're using to take trades and things in the market. And so that is available. So just look at the information in this description here. We'll have a couple of links to show you how you can get set up with that. But let's start and take a look at this first account here. Right now we're in a buy on AUD-USD, and that one is not really going anywhere. Let's see, where is AUD-USD? Down here. So we're going to buy on this one. We're trading this on a higher time frame. So this one is the 4-hour time frame. And so right now that buy is just pretty much sitting there. We hasn't really made any progress in there. We're in drawdown on that one. But we bought in this area. Stop losses are down here. We have not put in the take profit target for that one. So it's up in here somewhere. So this one right here is one of the manual trades that we entered in. That's why it's just kind of floating in here. It doesn't have a comment showing that the AI system took it. So we will occasionally have a manual trade thrown in here, but these AI systems are managing probably 90-95% of the trades that we're taking. So let's take a look at this next one here. NAS 100, we're in a sell. We're trading this one on the 15-minute time frame. This is our trend strategies. We're in a trend 1 and a trend 2 sell on NAS 100. Looks like our trend 1 and 2, yeah, both are active trades. We've not hit the first take profit targets yet on those. So we entered these trades. One entered here, the other one entered the sell here. The first take profit area is down in this area. And so once we do that, once we hit our first take profit target, the system, the AI system, will automatically move our stop losses to break even, at least on 2 remaining trades. Our system opens up 3 trades every time we find an entry. We split that entry into 3 so we can manage them separately. The first one, if it hits the profit target, that one closes. The last 2 remaining, one of them will move the stop loss to break even. The other will keep the stop loss in its original place. That's just a profit protection. It's a method that we've learned that's pretty good to use for overall risk management and help us maximize our returns. So those are the trades that we're in right now open. Let's see what we've closed out on this account. So today, the only thing that's closed out is US 30. We had a very good sale on US 30 earlier this morning. This was around 5 a.m. Eastern time that we took this sale. So this is right in this area on US 30. We sold this momentum going down, took our profits, and got out of the market. This is the hourly chart here. US 30 continued to drive up the next several hours, and now it's been a big drop down. But at this point, we're not interested in trading US 30 anymore for today. The time and the goals that we had set for our system for trading US 30, we met those goals, so we're not going to enter any more trades. We're not trying to take advantage of this big candle here that could continue to fall, or it could reverse. That's not what we're looking for. Our systems are very highly trained to look for specific things in the markets at specific times. When we see that, we take an entry. If we don't see it, we do not trade. Okay, so that is a little over 11,000 or so closed out profits, and we're floating right now 1,300. So these remaining trades that we're in right now, these are subject to, maybe getting more profits or maybe getting in drawdown. Our system will manage that. It's looking for things in the market to tell us if there's signals that it start to reverse, then it'll make a decision to exit out of those trades. Okay, so that's the first account. Let's jump to the next one. This account here is around $18,000 or so. Right now, we're not in any active trades. We've closed out everything that we were in from this morning. Let's kind of look and see. So we've traded a variety of things in this account. We made a total of a little over $1,400 profit today. That came from, we're trading Bitcoin. We've been scalping Bitcoin on this particular account. We're in scalp mode on Bitcoin, where we're scalping it on the 5-minute time frame. So we've been in and out quite a bit on this one. You can see there are a lot of trades here on Bitcoin, and these are small trades. So in this particular case, whatever asset we want to trade, we can divide our assets and say, on this one I want to be aggressive, I want to use aggressive risk, or on this one I want an aggressive strategy, but I want a small risk. We have the ability to monitor and change that anytime we want to. So with Bitcoin, we're using an aggressive strategy, but very small risk. So you just see, a couple of dollars profit here and there. When we lose, it's only, $6, $7, $8 or something like that. When we win, it is about the same. And so that's what we're doing on Bitcoin. CAD JPY, we were in a buy earlier, and we closed out of that one, took a small loss on that one. NAS 100, we were buying a little bit earlier and did not do well on that buy. Came back, made a few small profits on that one. US 30, we took a sell on that one earlier and profited. And then looks like our biggest ones were from today, was from some buys that we took on gold, and a little bit later some buys on gold. So pretty good results from that account today. $18,000 account made a little over $1,400 today. So that's around 8%, something like that. In that ballpark range, good results. Let's go to another one. This is this the same account I just looked at? We have two 100K accounts, so I may be getting these mixed up. No, so we looked at this one the first time. Now I'm going to look at, this is another one that we're running right now. We're only on a sale on NAS 100. And looks like this is our trend. So primary strategies, we came right down to this. NAS likes to do crazy things. We came almost, looks like we came within a hair's breadth of hitting our take profit target, and NAS kind of pulled back on us, but we'll keep watching that one. That's we're floating right now a little over $1,400 or so profit. Let's see what we've closed out, because there's not any other active trades that's running on this one. We had a sale on US 30 that we closed out on. Then we had a buy on gold. We took a loss on the gold buy, and then we took a sell on gold, and we still came out in profit on that one. So, excuse me, in total, we're up about $4,800. So on a $120,000 account, so that's about 3-4% or something like that. Pretty good. Once these profits here, if we take profits in this one and this doesn't pull back on us, then that'll just be added to today's profit. So that's a pretty good result so far. And there are times like this when we're talk about letting the AI system run and do its thing, but we have a team of traders that are overseeing this as well. So there are times when you just made some pretty good results in the market, and it's a smart decision to take your profits and stop trading. So we're able to do that. We're able to come in and set guidelines. There are restrictions in here. I'm going to pull up like my dashboard here, for example. In a case like this where we've already made good profits for the day and we do not want to give the market our profits back, we can come in here into our AI system, into our dashboard, and say, look, I want to protect these floating profits. That's $1,500 or something like that. I want to protect 60% of that. So even if the market starts to shift and go the wrong direction, we're going to walk away with some profits. If I do that and hit protect profits, it says, okay, I'm going to protect $925 of that. I can come back and update that as often as I want to, or I can walk away with confidence knowing that if the market continues to go in my favor, we're going to get more profits. If it reverses, I'm going to walk away with at least $900 of this $1,600. And you can make it as tight or as loose as you want to. So that's a smart thing for us to do in this case. Let me go back to this account here, and I may choose to do the same on this account. Yeah, I think it's just going to be smart because On this account, we have made, yeah, a little over 11,000 today, and we're floating 1,100. Maybe on that one, that's not that big of a deal. So maybe on one of them, I'll let it run and let it manage itself. And on this other one, yeah, I kind of put in my profit protection mode. So now you see we push up to $1,800. If I want to update that, I just hit protect profits again, hit it twice, and now it says, okay, I'm keeping your same 60%. I'm going to protect $1,100. That's excellent. So if you are monitoring this on your own while the AI system is doing it, you can override the system or use things like this to give it updates. Okay, so that's the third account. I think we've got one more account that we're running, and this one is a roughly $8,000 account or so. And so right now we're floating, we're in a NAS 100 sell, and that one is pretty much at break even, and we've got a GJ sell. So right now we're only floating about $30 profit. Let's see what we've closed out on this $8,000 account today. So we've closed out $870. So this account a little bit earlier, it stopped trading US 30 and some of the other things because in those we had a daily profit goal of 10%. So we stopped trading here when we hit that 10% profit goal. It stopped. The other ones where we had either a higher profit goal or a different profit goal on that particular strategy or that particular asset that we're trading, we said, hey, you can continue trading if we go beyond that goal. But again, we're using smart systems here to say once we make good profits, the market can continue to go in that direction, but it's always smart to take your money. A wise woman once told me, hey, it's better to take profits than to not. Okay, so that's the strategy. That's the mindset that we're using. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this update here. I would ask you to leave a comment in our channel, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you can get up to date on the kinds of things that we're doing here. Take a look at the links that we put here in the system. As I mentioned, these trades that we're performing across multiple accounts, all of these are available for copy trading. You can subscribe to our system. Pay a small fee to join us and copy our trades, and it's on a profit split basis. So take a look at that. It is almost impossible for individual traders to get these kind of results that we're getting, and you can go through and look at some of the history of trades that we've done and how our system is managing. So this can be a great opportunity if you're the kind of person who's struggling with trading in the markets, the forex markets or futures markets. If you're the kind of person who's struggling with risk management, you're getting up big in trades and then you're losing, or you just are not consistent in how you're managing your risk, take a look at it and let us do those kinds of things for you. Okay? All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. We'll see you next time. Have a blessed day.